Hey everybody, so I got some new knives to show you today. Now these were sent over to me from Topfeel, and I feel like I've worked with them before. The name is familiar anyway. Anyway, let me go ahead and show you these knives up close. It does come with 3 of them, and it also does come with a little, or what they call a gift box. So you could store them in here if you wish to keep them stored. Now of course these knives I would say are meant more for use and not for storing. Now, I would say that these are very pretty. And to give you a closer look, as you can see, it has the Damascus look to it. Now, this isn't a true Damascus. It is a stamped version of it, but it's still a pretty good knife, and it's still really sharp. And this one is the 8-inch chef's knife. Then we have a 7-inch Santoku, which is my favorite one. And then we have a 5-inch utility knife. As for the sharpness, they are very sharp. They all slice through the paper just fine, but even the utility knife slices right through the paper like ease. Overall, I'm going to say these knives are pretty nice. I like that the blade goes all the way through the hilt. It has a pretty good feel, pretty good balance. I do like the weight of them. Like this one, it actually has a pretty good heftiness compared to one of my other Santokus. And they are nice and sharp. They do cut really well. They are very easy to clean. Now, I do not recommend putting these in the dishwasher. I do not recommend putting any knives in the dishwasher. I don't care if it's my budget Chicago or it's my higher end Viking knife. Everything is hand washed, and I always recommend that with all your knives. Anyway, hopefully this gives you a good idea what to expect at the Topfeel. I think for the price range and everything, they're great knives. They're very sharp. They look really nice. They're not a true Damascus, but they are very pretty, and they do look a lot like one. Anyway, hopefully this gives you a good idea of what to expect of these knives, and if it's a knife that you would like to get yourself. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.